Not everybody is real. Not everybody is alive. In this world we live in, after everything that has been done, there's a lot of lifeless bodies, lifeless people, so called people. People, human beings, are those who are connected to the universe and to spirit. Unfortunately, we are surrounded with those who may look real, may seem to be real, but they are not. Trust what you feel, trust your own discernment. Make sure when you speak to whoever and whatever you give to someone that they are real. There is lifeless people here meant to suck your energy, to take away what is yours rightfully. Those who cannot create their own light, but here to steal your light. Go within, trust yourself, trust your own discernment. I guarantee you, you have everything you need. All the knowledge, all the wisdom, all the power you have within you to discern who is who and what is right. Everybody is born with the knowing of what is right, what is wrong, what is real, what is not. We have just forgotten. Please love yourself. Trust yourself as well as well your heart. For your heart is your compass in this life. Your third eye, your perception, your intuition. Your intuition is your main guide in the spirit. In this world, in your decision making, your heart knows what's good for you. Only you, your heart. Trust and follow your heart always. Love and light. Keep the frequency clear. Love you all.